G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I have got the MeLe, I'm not quite sure how to pronounce their name, MeLe PCG02 Fanless PC Stik. And this is the model that comes with the J4125 Gemini Lake Celeron processor in it, with 8GB of LPDDR4 RAM and 128GB eMMC storage. So it's one of the more powerful Stik PCs that's currently available on the market, and judging from the size of the box, it's going to be small, very small. So let's go ahead and open this one up and have a closer look at it. So I was really attracted to this one because it's fanless, so that means it's going to be quiet and it should be fairly cool. It has built-in HDMI, it comes with Windows 11 Pro, which is also appealing, has a gigabit LAN, and it does support Ultra HD over that HDMI output, so that's pretty cool. So right in the top here we've got our quick start guide, which really there's not much to that. We've got the interfaces and so on here, device overview, how to connect it up to things, and that's pretty much it. Going below that, we've got here in this foam padding the Stik PC, and again, very small. I mean, you can see there really is not much to it. Without that HDMI plug, it's only just under 13 centimeters long, which is about 5 inches long, and including that Wi-Fi antenna, it's only about 2¼ inches wide, including that antenna, or even less without it, only just under 2 inches wide, 6 centimeters wide, or just under, including the antenna, or just under 5 without it. So it really is a very small PC. Looking on top, we just have our logos and this circle pattern. And the antenna obviously folds up. Over this side we have two USB 3A ports and a micro USB power port and the power button. On this end obviously we have our HDMI plug, so we can plug it straight into a screen or plug a cable onto that for connecting it to a screen. Over this other side we have a micro SSD input, which lets us add up to 1 terabyte. And then on this end we have Kensington lock, gigabit Ethernet and headphones. And that's pretty much all you need on a tiny little PC like this. In fact, it's probably more than you need, and it's more than some laptops come with. If we have a look a bit further down in the box, we have a HDMI adapter. So this lets us run a HDMI female to male. So in case this doesn't fit on the back of your screen, you can just plug it into that female socket there, and then run that into the back of your screen or TV. Then we have our power adapter, which runs straight to USB-C, and according to this it provides 3 amps at 15 watts. And then our actual wall connector for that power. So that's it, that's the MeLe PCG02 Fanless Mini Stik PC. I hope you found this video helpful. For more information and pricing on these, make sure you check out those affiliate links down in the description, and of course click that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Bye for now.